Our next pattern, which we're going to be demonstrating, is our right turning box. So gentlemen, what you're going to do is, in order to get into a right turning box, you need to take a forward chain step first. So forward chain step is left foot forward, right foot side, left foot closes to right. So this now leaves us with our right foot available. We're going to do quarter turns now, but they're right turns. So we step forward with the right, left foot side, right foot closes to left, and then back with the left foot, side close, forward with the right foot, side close, back with the left foot, side close. And to finish the pattern, you're just doing one more forward chain step, right foot forward, side close. So I'm going to do that again from a different angle. One forward chain step, and now our right turns. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll repeat that. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And now we'll finish with a forward chain step. And now for the ladies' part. We're going to take it right into the quarter turn. So she steps back with the left foot, side close, forward with the right side close. Back with the left side close, and forward with the right side close. And we'll do that from one other angle. And a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and again, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now with the music,